Welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we're going to transform our web hosting website, which looks like this, to something like this. In simple steps, okay? So to customize your website or your store, please go back to resellerpanel.com and then log into your reseller's account. So click on reseller login. Enter your email and your password and click on login. You will be redirected to your dashboard, just like this. To customize your store or to get to your store editor, please click on log into store manager admin area. So just click on that. This is your store editor and this is your customizer. This is where or what you use to customize your store. Okay, so to begin with, click on edit metadata. Please enter your page title here. So I'll remove this and put something like this: domain names, and then web hosting. Just enter your title there. After that, enter some meta keywords and describe your homepage. This is going to serve as your homepage. So describe your page. So we provide high-speed web hosting services. Enter that there. Okay. So we provide high speeds or best web hosting provider out there. High speed web hosting services, like this. Keywords. So enter your keywords. So hosting, comma, cloud hosting, comma, domain names, good, and then click on save. Excellent. Next, click on organize pages. This is what you use to organize your pages. Okay, so we have web hosting here, and on top web hosting we have domain names and we have domain names. We have VPS and we have VPS. So if you want this to appear first, or so this is what you use to organize or rearrange your pages. So you simply grab it, drag it to the bottom. Okay. All right. Next up, if you also want to disable a page, just click here, or you can also delete it. All right. You can scroll down and you have a list of pages you can delete or disable if you want. Okay. Next, we have a button here you can click to add a new page. So when you click on it, you'll be able to add a new page. You can also click here to add a new page. You can click here to save sitemap. All right. So I'm going to leave it as they are. You can also edit your pages. So click on it and then you edit it. Okay. Next, click on customize templates. And this is what we're going to use to customize our front page or our home page. Okay, so let me collapse this. I'll click on it. Good. So we have these templates that you can use. First one is a template. Second one, top service, logo, favicon. So these are areas of the site that you can customize. First, let's expand the templates and then select a layout, click on it and pick no sidebar. We don't want a sidebar. Next up, click on drop down and then make sure it is on drop down. Okay, so just make sure it's on drop down and not this classic. Your drop down type, click on it and pick drop down 3. So these are for our menus. Okay, our menus like this. So when we save it and then hover on a menu, there should be a drop down there. So let's continue. I'll simply scroll down and we have white menu or banner. Pick the white like this. Now, as you can notice, after we pick the white, the web page is no longer in a container like the first one. See, now it has filled the whole width of the web page or the browser. But let me pick the short and you see now I can see the difference. All right, let me hide this. Good. So now this is the difference. So I'll just pick white. And now it takes the full width of our browser. Let's scroll down and we are going to work on our theme colors. So first we have our body color, banner color, and the buttons color. Please click on this. Okay, just ignore the 3 to the left and then click on this and pick white. After that, click on select color and pick dark blue. Okay, so I'm picking them based on my favorite colors. Also choose your own colors. Okay, you can also pick plain blue, whatever you want is here. You can scroll down, violet. So I'm going to pick dark blue and wait for the page to load. Good. And we have our last option, which is our button colors. So I'll pick green as my button color, and then I'll pick my US flag. All right, also pick your flag. Next, let's scroll down and click on top service. After you click on top service, please select, click here and select domain names. Now let me explain to you why we are selecting domain names. Now if I take you back to my other site, which is this one, and I send you back to the top, which is the top service. The top service, we want it to display domain names like this, and this is the standard. We are following the standards. First, users need to register domain name before adding a hosting plan. So we want to have a domain name section on top. That's why on top here we are selecting what? Domain names. So pick domain names and take notice of this preview. It's going to change and you see the domain name section first. Now you can see domain name section is first. Next, logo, and this is self-explanatory, very easy. So if you want your logo to be in a text format, like I have it here, you can leave it as default, like this. You can leave it as this. But if you want to upload your own custom made logo, which is an image in an image form, click on it and then click here to upload an image. You can also have it in a HTML format, but I want the text format because I don't have my logo ready. Okay. Next up, you can have your logo font. You can change the font of your logo to whatever you want. So this italic thing, I don't want it. So I'll click on it and I'll pick normal. All right. So logo formats, you can also pick your logo formats. Then pick the one you want. I'm going to select a random one like this. Go ahead and customize this to your own liking, your own preference. Okay, I'm only showing you the possibilities. Okay. Next, let's work on our favicon. If you don't know what a favicon is, let me explain. A favicon is that little icon you always see attached to on the header, okay, on the header of every website. So this is a favicon. If I open YouTube, you see the YouTube favicon like this. So every website has this kind of thing attached to them. So those things are favicons. Okay. So we are also going to upload our favicon. Click on favicon. Scroll back to the top a little bit, and giving you size and pixels here. Okay, so you can upload a favicon. You can upload a live favicon only. It will be scaled automatically for all use cases. So when you click here, you can upload a large favicon. If you click here, you can also upload a small favicon. And these are the dimensions. This is a large favicon, and this is what? Small favicon. Any of them will work fine for you. So just click and upload it. Next up, we have font options, and this controls the font of your website. But I'm going to maintain my font, so I think I want this. Okay, I'll maintain. You can also use Google Fonts, generic, and a custom font. Click on select banner views. Go back to the top. Good. So first, click here and pick this one column. Pick that one, and then click here, and then pick the main. So just maintain it as it is. So maintain it. Good. Scroll down. The background, click on it, and we're going to pick this one. Okay, pick that one. Next, click on columns in the domain name banner. So just click on it. After you click on that, pick 2. Okay, so you can pick 2 columns. Leave it as 2. Okay, just leave it as 2. Next, number of TLDs per column. Number of TLDs per column. Let me take you back to my demo. Now, these are the number of TLDs. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 per column, and there are 2. So that's 5 by 2. I'll take you back, and then we have 5, 2. So they're going to be 10, and then 5 per column. So here. Good. Scroll down a bit, and domain search position in main domain banner. Click on it and pick top. Okay, so let's click on top. Scroll down again, and I'm going to pick this one as my favorite featured icon in the banner. Next up, click here to select compare table type. Scroll back to the top a little bit. Good. Please click here and select type 9. Click here again, that's the final one, and click on the type and pick type 3. So just maintain it. Okay, and then after that, click on save and wait. Good, we have saved the settings successfully. Please, let's enable our customizer. So click here, click on edit footer, this is where you edit your footer. You can change your footer text, but take note, these are in different languages. We have English, French, and the rest. I will advise you leave them as they are, but if you know what you are doing, then you can proceed to edit these pages. But I'm going to leave it as default, and then click on save. You can also click here to add a new column. Go to edit contacts, because we want to edit contacts. please make sure live chat is enabled. Make sure this one is enabled. International phone numbers, UK. Those countries' phone numbers you don't want to be on the site, I'll take you back. So those country phone numbers you don't want to be on your site, you can disable them. But for technical support, Reseller Panel is going to help you for free. So let's click on the edit contacts again and scroll down, leave everything as they are. You can also enable email if you want, but I'm going to leave it. And then I'm going to enter my own phone number here. So put your country like this, and then I'll put my phone number there. All right. So enter your phone number there. And then click on save. Now my phone number is here. You can see that. All right. Next, click on advanced tools. Now, I'll be teaching you how to integrate Google Analytics on your site, but the author name, make sure you put your own name there or your website name. So the website is going to handle this for you, and then click on save. So this is Google tracking. Okay, I will handle this lesson in my other videos. Okay, we have Facebook pixels. If you're running ads, you need pixels. We have coupon promo banners. So let me click on that. And here you have promotional banners you can download, import them in your Photoshop, edit them, and then use them for promotional purposes. So I'll scroll down and we have pop-up promo banner. So click on that. Go back to the top and make sure you enable it. Okay, so first visitors or first users are going to see a pop-up. So let's click on save. Next, extra languages, leave it. Now we have living website. Make sure you leave that one too as well. Do not disable it. Okay, after that, click on publish. Click on web hosting. And now we are here. This is our web hosting page. Okay, we have not yet set up hosting plans. Okay, so I'll show you how to set up your own plans, but not in this video. Now the question is, how do you edit the text on your web pages? Something like this text, how do you edit it? When you scroll down, you still have text beneath, text all over. How do you edit this text? How do you edit this text? How do you edit this text? All right. So now, if you want to edit this text, just hover on the text, and you can see there's a pencil icon here. When you click on it, you'll be able to edit that text. Let me take you back to the top and show you. So here we are on the extreme top, and we want to, now let me hide this. Now I want to edit this text, so just hover on it, and on top there's a pencil. click on that pencil and wait. And now this is a text editor that we can use to edit our text. Change everything here. Change your text, change your short banner text, change your second short banner text, okay? And then save your changes. I'm not going to edit this text. Those of you who want to edit, go ahead and edit your text. So if you want to edit any text on any page, make sure you have your customizer opened like this. Make sure it's like this, and then open that particular text you want to edit. So for example, the home page. Let me just click on home. Now on the home page, there might be text that you want to edit. So let's click on home and wait. And here we are on the home page. Now the home page has reloaded for us because we published it. Okay. Now you can see our site is looking good. See that? So if you want to edit this text, just hover on it like this, and there's a pencil there. Click on it, and you need to be able to edit that text. Okay, it's very, very simple and easy. Okay, so that's how you edit your text, guys. Now, after you edit your text, just click on publish and wait. Excellent. Now, if you open your website in a new tab and you do not see the new changes that you made, or you do not see your site in a new look, that means your site is still keeping what is called cache. So the cached data. Click on cache, clear cache, and log out. So I'll simply click on that. So it will clear the cache and then log out and send us automatically to the home page, which is the one we're. And as you can see, the site has cleared the cache, and now we are on our home page. So this is how our site looks like. It's not similar to that of my demo website. Okay, now you can see that's how it looks. Go ahead and edit your text if you want to do that. Otherwise, you can maintain it. Okay. So in my next episode, I'm going to show you how to create hosting packages. After that, we'll also be creating domain names.